Using the James Webb Space Telescope, researchers have discovered the most distant supermassive black hole to date. It lies at the heart of a galaxy called CEERS 1019, which we're seeing as it was just 570 million years after the Big Bang. In other words, when the universe was just 4% of its present age. The discovery came as a result of the Cosmic Evolution Early Release Science, or CEERS, survey, which uses data from the Webb telescope. As well as the black hole in CEERS 1019, astronomers identified two more black holes that existed 1 billion and 1.1 billion years after the Big Bang. Webb has also identified 11 galaxies that existed when the universe was just 470 million to 675 million years old. The black hole in CEERS 1019 is interesting not only for how long ago it existed, but also how little it weighs. Supermassive black holes in the early universe found by other telescopes typically have a mass of 1 billion times greater than that of the Sun, which makes them easier to detect because the region around them is very bright. But the black hole within CEERS 1019 weighs in at just 9 million solar masses, only about twice as heavy as the one at the center of our own galaxy, the Milky Way. Although CEERS 1019 is small by supermassive black hole standards, it's still challenging to explain how it formed so soon after the universe itself began. Researchers have always suspected that modest-sized black holes must have been around within the first billion years or so of the universe, but they've been surprised to find one so soon after the Big Bang. Now it seems there may be many more like this one waiting to be discovered. Researchers identified the black hole by disentangling the spectrum of hot gas in its near vicinity from the spectrum of the host galaxy. Not only that, but they were able to estimate how much gas the black hole was consuming, and the rate at which stars were forming in the surrounding galaxy. The team found that CEERS 1019 is ingesting as much gas as it can, while also churning out new stars. They turned to the images to explore why that might be. Visually, the galaxy appears as 3 bright clumps. It's unusual to see so much structure in objects at such immense distances. A likely explanation is that several galaxies are in the process of merging. This would explain both the high rate at which the central black hole is gulping down material and the speed of star formation. In the future, it's possible that data from the Webb telescope may be used to explain how early black holes formed, revising researchers' models of how these objects grew and evolved in the first several hundred million years after the universe began.